they're not very good.
Yeah, I wanna buy wide ones. You know the wide ones?
I'm gonna get the long ones too. I think I'm gonna go. I don't know what color to do though.
You can look for pink ones.
They don't make pink ones. They make
Then just
gold.
get red.
Gold.
Oh yeah, gold too.
I'm thinking gold because I have the gold.
Yeah, gold brake things.
Oh wait. So I'm joining Devin. He was in my last video. This little midget boy.
Stop, dude.
Anyways, I got some parts for the bike. I'm not gonna put these on it, or just a spoke wrap in general. I'm not putting them on until I paint. But I got a shock, a swing arm, and then a sprocket, which is right there. I might put these on too, but I don't know. Please my help, please.
Do you have a... Oh my god.
I just want my tripod back.
I am your tripod.
Just watch it in for this rear brake.
Did you buy a longer chain?
I have a little bit of leeway.
Oh, it's like super tight.
Beans on there. Oh yeah, mate. Like pitch and stuff.
This is a radio? Oh, relax, dude.
It's not going anywhere, son. It's gonna look kind of goofy with the aluminum, you think?
Ooh. Now it's hella loose. No, just kidding.
I gotta let my bike warm up. So I put the new swing arm on. My bike is slowly falling apart. What the fuck? Huh?
2 hours later, we're finally getting here.
I know, right? I can't wheelie anymore. I told you it was gonna happen again. I was recording this whole time. Just me, like. So my chain fell off like 15 times. So I'm just gonna order a new one. Huh, my friend? I'm gonna order a new chain. Yeah. But I'm gonna go home. And I'm trying to be super careful. Because it's gay ass chain. So I'm not gonna do no woolies. I wanted to show you guys my wheelies because I can keep it up for a few seconds, but yeah. Anyways, so I crashed recently too. I forgot to say that. It was at the track over there. I think you guys saw it in my last video. And yeah, I crashed pretty hard. I didn't break anything or nothing like that. I hurt my hip pretty bad. And it happened like a week ago, I think. Yeah, like over a week ago. But I'll insert that clip now. Dude, my hip hurts so bad.
Moto man.
There's so much dirt on my mouth.
Oh my god, dude.
Hey, what would Billy do? Have you seen that?
No.
No?
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Holy fuck, dude. I fucking felt that shit. Like, I felt as soon as I fucking hit it, and I got in the air, I was like, I'm fucked.
Just pause time in the air.
You get what happened. It was my fault mainly because, like, I'm not trying to like butter my roll, I guess you could say. Like I hit that jump like 10 times before that, and I was just doing perfectly fine. But I came to talk. So when I started recording that video, I was like, dude, I'm just gonna send it like hard. I'm just gonna go fast. So it's like third gear. I was saying like probably like half throttle. So I was going a little pretty quick for that little jump, and I didn't like stand up like before I hit the jump. So in my old stock, it would like if you didn't really do that, kind of buck you off in the front. So that's why I just endoed super hard, and what's it called? So yeah, and that's how I fell. My bars are a little bent, so I'm gonna need bars pretty soon. And the reason why the swing arm isn't on is because I need a chain slider for it. So I'm ordering a new chain and then a chain slider. So yeah, so I mean, no, I lost it. So yeah, that's why that's not on right now. And yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna end it here because it's just gonna be creeping home the whole time. So yeah. Oh yeah. Look at my nasty ass gloves. God damn, it's just so frozen. More. Hey Nate. Wow. Just go second again. Go second. Bro, you guys make a wide view. Yup. Alright, stay in it. Ah, see?
Holy sh! Oh my god. Oh my god.